should be easy. You just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction?
No.
No.
There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
Don't jinx us, Nick.
I never thought I'd miss a gun so much.
Reloading!
Reload.
Oh, shit! Watch out!
Next gas, 2 miles. Oh,
Reloading.
Look out!
reloading. Careful, I hear a boomer. Oh, shut up.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Reloading! Look out!
Oh, it's raining. Through that playground.
Reloading!
I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading! Reloading!
Hey, look out.
We're gonna be coming back through here, so keep an eye out for the landmarks. Reloading.
Hey, watch out.
Reloading!
Hello.
Heads up. Look out now.
Are you a girl too?
Reloading.
This is a safe zone. Just please don't shoot me. Oh, you're not a girl. Okay. Oh, but you can hear me. Okay. You see how like I'm moving my controller and I'm moving up and down like an idiot?
Smoker!
Alright. Keep me tight.
Hey, watch out.
Watch out!
I say we run.
Nice shot, hero!
Oh shit! Watch out!
I need a new gun. This not fitting me.
Shoot the shit out of that thing!
Hey, look out. Kill down. Kill. Yes, this was. I need some help.
No idea why, but this would get better.
Oh, where you got a shit from? You downloaded that?
Here you go now. You'll probably put this to better use than me.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
I want you to have this.
Sorry. Pills here. Where is everyone? Hello? Anyone out there?
Where you at?
Reloading. Watch out. Charger.
Charger!
Look out.
Bro, can we go?
Reloading!
That was a nice shot.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'm a reload!
My bad. It's been a while since I played Hard Rain.
Here, you can have this.
Hey, that'll keep me for a bit.
Look out now!
Heads up.
Hey, look out!
Reloading. Nightstick here.
That'll hold me.
Hey, watch out! Reload! Look out now!
Hey, which kind? Heads up, go!
Reloading.
Hey, nice job. Come on, this way.
Who did this? You did
Yeah,
this?
let's go.
There's a safe room up there.
Shit. Need some help.
Scared the shit out of me. Thought that was it for you. One more time
I'ma
down.
reload.
and
You
then-
download all this stuff in this game.
Thanks.
Anything for a brother.
Hold on, y'all. I'm
First
healing.
aid here.
Close the door behind. Oh yeah.
Well,
There's a lot of obstacles.
that was embarrassing.
Anybody hear me?
Here, I don't need this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Better.
Ready?
Yes. All right.
Hold on, I gotta get a piece of chicken real quick. It's good too, I'm so sorry. I eat it for both of them. Okay, I'm ready.
Grab an incendiary ammo.
They're pretty cool. I haven't been on here in a minute.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Come on, this way.
Yeah, let's do this.
Reloading!
Behind us.
Throw the pipe bomb.
Boomer. Boomer.
Reloading!
Heads up. Go.
When it comes, you're gonna get washed away.
Reloading.
Hey, watch out!
Look out.
Reloading.
Boomer. Yeah. Smoker. Woo, you are all right.
Reload.
What? I started her? It didn't even say that I started her. Thank you.
Don't get pounced.
Yep.
Sorry. Bile jar here.
I'm a reload.
I know one of these mother lovers didn't take my gun.
Thanks. Reloading!
Charger. Charger.
Charger!
Reloading.
Reload! Let's not all
Guilties.
start
Okay,
shooting
that was a
each other
mistake.
now.
Oh man, you can.
No, I want an AK-47, but it's okay. I'm gonna find it again.
Watch out. Reload. Stay on my back.
Thank you. Use this now.
Pills here.
Thank you.
Pills here. You are on fire.
Hell yeah, I'm with you.
I'm reloading.
I'm a reload.
Smoker. Oh no, you didn't. Boomer.
I forgot this is like witch control.
hear that witch?
Tank!
Up that ramp.
How many goddamn witches are there? I hear a spitter.
Anyone need some pills?
Yeah. No. Sorry. Got some chest paddles.
Taking the shotgun.
Shotgun.
You got full?
Don't take leave of your senses.
Come on!
Ow! What the hell are you shocking me for?
All right, weapons. Here, you can lend us.
Much obliged.
We have guns here. Weapons over here.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We got inbound.
Jesus, there's a lot of witches around this place.
Hey, look out! Well,
Hang in there, a few more seconds. Hang in there, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Ow! Jesus, no, man.
Much obliged.
No, thank you.
Time to move. Let's go.
Thanks, I owe you one.
Not exactly.
Ah, I'm upstairs. Where were you? Brick. Go.
All right. Thanks.
Smoker!
There's the gas station through the wheat farm.
Dang.
Whatever you say, Farmer Joe.
I hit it!
Ammo. Ammo here. Ammo here. Ammo here.
Hands up!
I got some ammo right here. Ammo here.
Charger! What are those charging things? Okay, that was it.
Sorry, throw the pipe bomb.
Go!
Everybody in.
Damn it!
You better run.
Is that what you wanted to say?
It's a kid.
First aid kit. Stop, guys.
Charger!
Do a lot of stuff to get better.
Close the door. Like, what are you? Why would you stay right?
Help is coming! Hang on!
Head toward the sign!
He's moving! Henry's got Nick! Scared the shit out of me. Head for the sign!
Keep moving!
Okay.
Thanks.
Bitches every 10 feet in this goddamn place.
Of course. There's gas in the safe
Throw the
room.
pipe bomb.
First aid here. What happened to us? All right.
Excuse me.
Everybody
Nick,
got a
but
gas
you
can?
wanna heal.
I do not want to make this trip twice.
I got mine.
Let's get back to the damn boat.
There's a first aid kit here.
Nah.
Everyone ready?
No.
Sure. Wait, I have something for you.
Nah, man.
You gotta quit moving so I
Anybody
can hear
hear
you.
me?
Keep it. Appreciate you, bro.
You guys hear me?
What?
Okay. Oh yeah.
Keep 3 health kits and 1
Yeah.
revival. We'll be good.
Hey.
You
What?
ready?
Why, yes.
Damn, it's really storming now.
Jockey!
Now.
Please, y'all, we gotta stay together when we go back through this thing.
Back through the cane field.
Look at you.
What are we
Big
waiting
guy.
for?
Damn it.
Yeah.
We can take the elevator back up.
Quiet, y'all.
Hey, watch out!
Right time.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Yeah, I'm not getting a strong "we're getting rescued" vibe here.
What?
What?
Clear! 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 Clear!
Clear! Clear!
Clear!
Clear!
Hey, don't stop running!
Can't see a damn thing.
Hey, look out! Behind us, go behind us!
Boy, no way. Jockey! Jockey!
Back it up! Reloading! Reloading!
Down here.
Well, ain't that a load of shit?
Nope.
Molotov.
Damn! Ass!
Can't do it, man.
Oh, shit!
Look out!
Yeah, no.
Tank!
No, man. Well, look what we got right here. No.
Yes. Tank! Tank!
Heads up! Off wall!
Sorry, sun was in my eyes.
Tank!
Fire coming!
Got killed.
He got me cornered with my line.
You was such a real one.
Go down again and it won't matter.
Thanks.
I'm gonna reload.
Okay, we ready?
Gotta heal my ass.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
That's what I'm talking about.
I gotta heal.
Sure.
Nice job.
You're welcome.
Better. There's the Ducatel sign. We're almost out of here.
Jockey!
I can use these pills.
I got it.
We ready?
Jockey! I'm down! Help! Help!
Let's go, let's go. Hell yeah.
Sorry. Quit fussing and let me heal
That's what I'm
you.
here for. Thanks, man. I reckon if this keeps up, I'm gonna die.
Witch. You got a witch.
Stand still, or I'm gonna mess this up.
I ain't never gonna be dry.
I forgot how hard Ring was. You have to go through the thing and come back, retrace our steps. What do you got?
Charger. The water looks knee-deep in places.
Nah, man.
I don't think so. We can get across on the rooftop.
And then you want to put obstacles in it. Like it wasn't hard enough. It's a beautiful thing.
Reloading. We have guns here. Pipe bomb. Boomer!
I remember that porch light. Reloading!
Look right there.
I'm coming!
Here's that garage sale.
Stick here.
Ain't that a load of shit?
That's why.
Don't stop shooting!
Damn, big man.
I'm sorry, okay?
I'm going to get you on your feet. But we need to get you fixed
Here,
up where
could
you
use
are
a
not
hand
gonna
over
make
here. Hey, someone want to come and get me out of here?
I need some help.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Alice, what did you go and do? Please work. Please work.
Ah! Ow!
The hell are you shocking me for?
Make it.
Yes.
Hang in there, a few more seconds. Hold on, I'm coming.
Reload.
Smoker. I need to find some.
Weapons over here.
Hogwash!
Oh, all right.
Yeah, no. Now you hold on 1 second. You know how bad I've held my tongue. But you do not deliver any
Sorry.
Reloading. Jackie, what are those charging things?
Hey, thanks.
Hey, watch out!
Everyone, inside.
Yep.
Oh, hell yes.
Hey, girl, why don't you heal up?
Oh, please.
Oh, all better now.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
No, sir. What are we
Can't
supposed
do
to
it, man.
signal him with?
Grab a hell kit.
Turn on the burner tank sign.
Yeah, that might work.
I think I hear my ex-wife.
Yeah, no.
Reloading.
Pay attention as I'm moving. You hear that, Boomer?
Ready for this?
Don't let him spew on you.
Reloading!
Smoker around here. Reloading. honorary kill.
Hold up. Healing.
No!
They're behind it.
No!
Come on, that was fun.
Nick, don't pay no attention to
Hold
that girl.
steady. Tank.
I don't know. I kind of like that smell. It's like a fabled city of Atlantis.
Hey, I'm reloading. Reloading.
No, I can't. Look at her.
This shit'll help.
Ready?
No.
Yes.
Ready?
Why, yes.
Yes.
Sign is on!
Please be watching, Virgil.
Spitter!
Time to kick some ass.
Jackie! Hoodie bastard! That was cool! Jackie! Ah! Oh, sweet Jesus! You shot me!
I'm gonna reload. Reload.
Jackie!
Yes.
Tank!
Nobody has fire.
Behind us, guys!
Shoot it! Shoot it!
Ammo here.
Sounds like a smoker.
Hunter!
You're right. You're
Get off!
Rochelle.
Nice shot.
Smoker! Smoke! No!
Reload.
Hey! Light it up! Guilty, sorry. Sorry about
Tank inbound.
Cover me, please.
You shoot the tank.
Got this just for you.
Stick it up your ass.
Thanks.
Don't around.
You are
Reloading.
welcome.
Come on, move! What are you doing? Go! Go, go, go!
Move.
Birch, well, go!
Come on, I'm in a hurry.
everything?